out this 2016 Ford Explorer. 2016 Ford Explorer AWD. One owner, third row seating. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. 2016 Ford Explorer AWD SUV in excellent condition. 3.5L V6 automatic with only 125K. Third row seating, backup camera, clean auto check on file showing one owner and excellent maintenance history. $12,995. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. Call to schedule your test drive 406-442-2931. Apply for financing at jdautosalesnet. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.